Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show the Add Details tool and also some lighting. So you see this object has very minimum details, only 6 polygons. So I'm going to go to the Add Detail, and if I go to Add Detail I can drag an edge and actually create a split. So I dragged it to the center, you see it turns green to the center, and now I'll confirm it. So now what I can do is I can select this edge and I click M to activate the Move tool, and I just move it up. Okay, something like this. And now I'm going to my polygon mode and I select this. Now I'm going to go to inset, so inset 10 is fine. And now I'm going to go to extrusion, -90 is fine. And now I deselect this and I just go to the texture and I'm going to choose, let's say, a wood. And let's add this wood over here. And before I go out, I'll go to the shadows and I'll allow this to receive and cast shadow. And now I'm going to go to create a new object. So create a sphere with a size of 20 by 20. So now you have this separate object over here, but I want to position it on top. There's many ways I can do it. In this case, I'm going to use the snap tool. So I can just snap it over here into position. And now on this snap tool, I'm going back to the lighting, shading. I go over here to light. You see it's in beta. We adding complete rendering will be coming soon. So it's just in beta. But you see now this is quite bright. So I'll play with the light strength a little bit, and then we can play with the cone size, how this should be. You see we basically have now the shadows and whatever, something like this. We can start playing with these things, make it a little bit more dim, and I can actually make this not visible so you don't see the light source. And now you can see the difference with the light or without the light, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching.